The Filipino word masaya, which means happy or happily in English, masaya. Masaya. Inaasahan namin ang Pasko ng masaya. It means we are anticipating Christmas happily. Inaasahan is like anticipating, namin is like we, and then Pasko is Christmas, masaya happily. So inaasahan namin ang Pasko ng masaya. Sumigaw siya ng masaya pagkatapos manalo. It means he or she shouted happily after winning. Sumigaw, sigaw is like shout. Sumigaw is past tense, shouted. Siya is he or she is gender neutral. Masaya is happily. Pagkatapos, it means after, and then manalo is like win, winning. Sumigaw siya ng masaya pagkatapos manalo. Masaya siyang naglalaro. It means he or she is playing happily. Masaya is happy. Siya is he or she is gender neutral. Laro is like play. Naglalaro is playing. Masaya siyang naglalaro. Ikinuwento niya ng masaya ang kanyang karanasan. He or she told his or her experience happily. So, kwento is like retell, share, story. And then niya is he or she, it's gender neutral. Masaya is happily, kanya is his or her. And then the karanasan is the experience. So, ikinuwento niya ng masaya ang kanyang karanasan. And that is all for our Filipino word masaya, which means happy or happily. Masaya. Masaya.